Welcome to Sweetins. What are we having?
Oh, I don't
What are
know.
we going to say?
Handy Andy's.
Yeah, Handy Andy's Motorhome tips. What's that? I've never seen it before.
Yeah, it's been there a while. Right, do you want to start again? I'll keep it going. We'll just.
Bloopers. Good morning. Welcome to Handy Andy's Motorhome tips. Right, we have a leak. We found out we had a leak when we were up at the NEC when we pulled up. Have figured out where it's from. It's from the waste pipe, because you have your sink here in the kitchen, comes around to here where it joins in with the sink from the bathroom and then goes into the shower and then obviously into the waste. So what we've done, I put things back so you can see what to do. It's in here, take out all your bits and bobs. And then you've got this board behind. That board is held on by 4 screws. I've already undone all the screws, but you might find it hard to find the screws because they're usually covered by these. Not sure the camera's picking it up. It's a bit cold now, but they're the stickers.
The stickers, yeah.
They're the same colour, so they will over the top. So you just peel them back, 4 screws, and then you have access to said pipework.
Do you want to show the pipework? And
I don't know what has happened, but for some reason we've lost an inch. I don't know how. So this top pipe here, which comes from the bathroom sink, popped off, and it was obviously leaking down and behind here, and he was coming down by the shower and made our carpet wet, and he was crazy. We didn't know where he was coming from. But there, so I've tried to push all these pipes back together, but for some reason I'm short an inch.
Yeah.
So what we've done, we didn't really find any more adapters. No. So what we've done, we've just on Amazon went and bought more pipe, same diameter. Ours was 25
mil. Yeah.
It's just, this stuff is the corrugated garden pond hose used for obviously your garden features and this and the other. I think it's metal ribbed on the outside. Tight fit. I thought they're the wrong size then.
Oh, we've been trying to get the right size off, so we can.
And then that bit then will go into that plastic like T-piece. So what
we got a bit longer, haven't we?
We got 2 meters, because I think for some reason, I don't know how, but they've shrunk by like an inch, which is crazy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the hoses off each side, make them longer, and then we'll have plenty to play with going into that, because we can't really alter the shower one.
No.
Because the shower one's at the bottom, which goes right under here, and you don't want to pull that off.
No.
So these 2 are easy to get to.
Yeah.
So I'll get cracked on with it. So we'll take these out so it's easy to get to. On the side of these, they're quite easy to get off as soon as you know what to do. Here, by here, if I can zoom you in properly, there's our little catch there. So it lifts up. We've got that each side, and then it'll actually come off the runners. So we'll run this side. You may have a plate. I've already taken the plate off.
Right.
Yeah, so there's usually a plate on each side, only a little plastic plate. Just pick it off, it comes off, and then you lift up those 2 tags as I showed you, and then pull forward, and then it just releases, and then you can actually pick it up and out, push the rollers back. As easy as that.
There we go. That's the one.
That's the one. So if you do this one as well, these have got the plates on. There's the one. There's the other one. Lift up the 2 things, give it a quick pull, and off they come. Right now that's out. You can see the kitchen hose. Oh, too fast was it? So there's the hose, just one flathead screwdriver, and that hose, as you can see, comes all the way through to here, which is some sort of a water trap to stop it smelling, I presume. So let's get that one off. So all you need to do is now to measure this, but to cut it like somewhere up here.
A bit further up, yeah.
So we got plenty of room to play with. But to have it too long, and then you can always cut it back if it's a bit short. So what I'm going to do to cut that, let's take this clip off. One. That's what you're doing. Hose clip from hell.
You gotta remember this van's over 10 years old now, so these things probably haven't been changed since.
Oh no, they won't. Yeah. That's fine, I enjoy the maintenance.
You do. Good job, really.
Yeah, I'm quite
The amount of things we've had to do.
quite stiff.
Yeah.
There. So from there to there, and we want, well, we were shy an inch, but let's give us plenty to say that much. I might just even give us a bit more than that. Right.
So you can always trim it back.
Yeah.
That's all cut.
Yeah. It's our old one. This is our new one.
There's quite a lot extra on there.
Yeah. So you've got plenty to play with. The hose clip. Quite easy if you just twist it on with the thread itself, he says. Can do if it wasn't. Let's just snip that bit off by there. Like that. Then you can just follow it almost like a screw.
Yeah, there you go.
Like that.
Lovely.
And that then can slide onto there, hopefully. Like that. And just tighten it back up. Not too tight, because obviously the thickness going onto is only plastic.
Yeah.
So just nip it up. Just to create a seal. Like that. And then this can come through here. And connect to that instrument. Right, so we have now that pipe on there, made it longer, so now it fits onto that trap. So that goes into the trap, into the waste, that goes into the shower, which goes into the grey waste.
Yes.
So as you can see, this pipe is a bit too short. And these expand. I just found out that these expand a bit, but when you go to push the pipe on, then they shrink back down again. So I've just got to keep them where they are and just extend the pipe. Because as you can see, if I put that in there, I'm not sure if you can see, but and then
I can't really see the
I won't be able to get it in.
No, it's not going to work.
So I need to extend that one.
Exactly the same thing again.
Exactly the same thing, just with the sink one. So it's quite easy. Easy as that. It's just a hose clip.
Yep, same as the other side.
Put it through.
And there we go.
And there it is.
Oh, I had it. Oh, it's got a hole in it anyway. So
Well, no, it's split as I just went like that.
ah, okay.
Because it's that old.
Yeah.
That's what's happening.
So in a way, it's good to be
And that looks
repairing
around
it.
the same size as that size.
Yeah.
That one. So yeah. So what we'll do is exactly the same. Not with Phillips though.
Got a hose clip
Twist
off.
them off.
And get the
Hose
hose pipe.
clip.
Right.
Hose pipe, I should say. Let's measure this out.
And we will need to go a little bit longer this time.
And we need to go a bit longer. So I'm gonna a good 2 inches,
Yeah.
I would say. And snip it off.
A bit of trouble there.
It'll be very tight. Just lube it up a bit and it'll be alright.
There we go. Okay, so hose clips back
Always does
on,
the job.
pipes back on.
Hose clips on, pipes on.
Okay,
So
so
we shall open it here, feed it back through. Should be able to see it coming through here.
just going through that side there, and then it's coming through here. Done
Right.
it. And then we've got lots of length on there now.
Secure this back on the sink.
Yeah. See how tight it is in here? We've just got no room to move, have we, really? That's why I'm still outside.
And you wonder why we want a bigger van. Wonder. Don't put everything away. Make sure you check for leaks before you
Yeah.
completely
Yeah, which we'll do in a second.
tie it all back up. And there we go. Pipe in, nice. For the shower. Extended this pipe here, as you can see we've got a bit of flex in it now. So it fits in there nice. Comes up all the way to the sink, and we've got plenty of flex in there as well.
And there we are.
Now we're just going to see if we get any leaks.
Yeah.
So I'm going to put the
Water on?
hab on and then the water.
Yeah.
It'll be
A
fine.
second. Yeah. One
Be fine
second.
anyway. Check under here, make sure there's no leaks from the waste. No leaks. No leaks. No leaks. Happy with that?
We are happy with that. That's another job done. Well done, Mr. S.
Another job done. Andy's motorhome tips. Now it's a bloody pigsty.
Yeah.
So by the power of video, we should get it done instantly.
Yes.
Sorted. All back together. Nice. Put the covers back in. All the clips in properly. It's supposed to be.
Everything back in its place.
Job done.
I
Thanks,
know.
guys.
Bye.